So this is the page where you can register. So quickly I will show you the certification. So this is web assessor. This is a page we can go and register for certificate. Here you can see total 2 certifications. So here if you see the my assessments, register for an exam. So once you click on to the register for an exam, so here you can see there are 2 certifications. One is SnowPro core certification and SnowPro advanced architect certification. So this is the core certification. It's cost around demonstrates an individual's knowledge to apply specific course expertise. So it's cost around $175. So now you can give exam online from your home itself. Earlier there was some centers to give the exam due to pandemic time, so they are giving allowing to give the exam in the from your own place. So there is another certification, SnowPro Advanced Architect certification. So here this is around $375. It's a little expensive. This is again, it's all completely different track altogether. To so here if you want to go to the advanced certification, we should clear the SnowPro core certification. This is the page where we can get more details. Just log in to webassessor.com, so that we'll get the more details. Anyway, I will show you the percentage of each and every topic, how much percentage it is coming. So all those things it's included part of our syllabus. So if you follow whatever we are explaining, so that if you practice, we have a lot of information available in Google, so we can use our resources as well as we can find the resources available in the different channels, and there itself we can understand whether you are answering the correct question or you are based on your score you can identify your knowledge. So slowly if you keep practicing everything, right, so it's within 1 month time is sufficient to crack your certification. I can give guarantee that. So if you just spend daily 1 hour or 2 hours time, so most of everyone busy that time, so definitely chances are very high to clear the certification. So here, this is the page where you can sign up for your account. So just go to your snowflake.com. So this snowflake.com, here we can, so here we can see there is a start for free. Just click on it. So this is a very quick process, just a 1 minute process to clear your enter your certification details. So here, so you can pass your username. Just I am giving some name. So any valid email ID you can pass. So just I'm giving my ID, company XYZ. So just you can use any company name, and also you can use something if you are working from different countries. Just you can pass different countries, India or US, whatever it is, India. So if you want to get notifications, just you can. So it depends on you. Just continue. See, this is a page where you are getting. As I told you, right? So Snowflake completely dependent on top 3 cloud service providers, whether it's a AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. So and also there are different type of accounts, whether it is a standard, enterprise, business critical, and a virtual private Snowflake. Even for our trial period, also we are getting 3 different editions. So we can use. There are some features which not available in standard. So that's we can go with the enterprise, or we can start with the standard. Maybe after once we get the confidence, we can go with the enterprise. So here you can select any service pro, either it is a AWS or Azure, Google, anyone you can select. There is no much difference. Once you select AWS, it will ask you to the region, which region you want to host. So I'm working from India, so I can select the nearest region is the Asia Pacific, Mumbai. Or if you want to go with the Azure platform, you can select the Azure related service. So whether it is a which one is available, so you can select anything. And also Google Cloud only three. Azure also having different services. Azure also we can select nearby Singapore. So anyone, if you are selecting, automatically your data is going to host into that particular region with the help of a particular cloud service provider. Automatically, immediately, one URL it is going to one email ID, it will trigger to your whatever mail ID you provided. So there you can activate your account. Once you activate, you can see exact similar type of account you can see. So here this is the your URL. It is coming as a region name, and also it is coming as a account details. And this is this is one of the unique URL it is going to generate for respective accounts. Here you can start accessing your account with the help of username and password. That's how we are going to create. You try. It's a very easy process to get the account. You just get ready with all your accounts. So we'll start exploring all the features, sharing warehouses, history. There are too many things are there. So we have how to create buckets and external stages and integrations. All these features we can explore, and we can play with these features along with the cloud accounts.